Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Astro Vibes. In today's video, we will begin our real journey into the astrophysics. We will discuss what exactly is astrophysics, why do we study this, and we will also discuss about the brief history of astronomy. So let's begin. So the very first question arises in our mind, what is astrophysics? So astrophysics is a branch of physics that applies the laws of physics to understand the universe. So is it really important to us? Why do we study this? Yes, it is important to us because astronomy helps us understand the origin of universe, life cycle of stars, and how we all came into existence. One of the most important thing is every atom in our body was once inside a star. So it is very important. Also, astronomy tells us about our exact location. For example, we all are human beings. We live on the planet Earth, and our planet Earth itself is in a solar system, and our solar system is present inside Milky Way galaxy. So don't you think that it gives us our location? So it is really important. We all have a very common confusion that what is the difference between astronomy, astrophysics, astrology, and cosmology? Are they exactly the same or are they different? Definitely, they are different. So, astronomy is basically this observational study of celestial objects, and astrophysics uses physics to explain astronomical observations. I hope now you can understand the exact difference between astronomy and astrophysics. Then, what is astrology? We all have heard about it. Now it is trending on the YouTube ads. What are they? So, astrology is basically an ancient belief system that claims the position of stars can affect human life. Definitely, it is not a scientific fact. Then, what is cosmology? Cosmology is basically a branch of astrophysics that studies the origin and the evolution of entire universe. Now, I hope it's clear. Now, let's discuss about the ancient astronomy and the early models. Long before telescopes existed, humans were already studying the sky. In the northern hemisphere, the pole star appears almost fixed in the sky, and hence people used it to determine directions. Then came Claudius Ptolemy. Claudius Ptolemy strongly supported the geocentric model. Basically, the geocentric model claims that the Earth is at the center of the universe and everything else, like the sun, stars, planets, etc., are orbiting it. So, nearly for 1400 years, people believed that the Earth is at the center and everything else revolved around it. Then came a revolutionary idea. In 16th century, Nicolaus Copernicus proposed heliocentric model. So, heliocentric model states that the sun is at the center and not the earth. Then Kepler discovered that planets move in elliptical orbits and not in perfect circles. Then Galileo Galilei, using one of the first telescopes, observed moons of the Jupiter, phases of Venus, craters on the moon. Then Isaac Newton introduced the laws of universal gravitation, and in 20th century Einstein introduced his famous theory of relativity and showed that the gravity is not just a force but the curvature of the space-time. In 1929, Edwin Hubble discovered that the universe is expanding, and this is where the modern astrophysics truly begins. Let me leave you with an interesting thought. If there are billions of galaxies in the universe, then are we really alone? Think about it. In our next lecture, we will discuss about the sun and the solar system. Thank you for joining us. Make sure you subscribe my channel and stay tuned. Till then, Keep learning and keep exploring.